Birria tacos, crispy tortillas. Oh man, so delicious. I don't have a clue what the correct pronunciation is. Welcome back, everybody. We are taking a break from deer hunting, a beautiful spot by the river, and a first for my show today. Hopefully I pronounce it right. Birria tacos. Birria. I don't have a clue what the correct pronunciation is. I brought all my ingredients prepped from home, which includes my meat. This is a beef roast. I seared on the Blackstone with the blackened seasoning, some beef tallow, got a great sear on it. Then I took it inside to the crock pot, camo crock pot, mind you. It has to be camo. We put beef bone broth in there, and then I mixed spices in there, Blackstone's street taco seasoning, some diced onion, diced garlic, even a can of tomato sauce. Enchilada sauce works great as well. I put mine on high for about 4 hours, tested it out a few times. I think in total it took around 4 to 4.5 hours. When I had an hour to go, I turned it down to low, and then I shredded the beef up with a fork, and we end up with this absolutely beautiful looking beef. I strained the sauce, or the consommé, and I have it in a separate container. Blackstone Camp Griddle. I'll add a little sauce pot, and we'll add that beautiful consommé. I just call that juice. We don't need fancy names, do we? I premiered some of these brand new Blackstone camping accessories a few videos ago. Just gonna let that simmer, and we'll fire up the griddle. Some really cold avocado oil, almost looks like butter, and I'll grab a few scoops of the beef. I'm gonna warm that up on the griddle top. Nothing like cooking in the great outdoors. The consommé heated up, the meat is nice and warm. Make sure the side burner is on low. I'll stack all of my meat, garlic, onion mixture over here on the side. Corn tortillas, give these a bath one by one in that consommé. And down on the griddle top, I like to use queso chihuahua or queso quesadilla. Down with a small handful of the cheese, in with a big old handful of the meat, right in the center. Easy peasy. I chopped my cilantro at the house before we left. A little bit of cilantro. Then we'll do our best to fold the tacos over like this. At this point, I'll make sure the griddle's on high. I like to add a little more oil so we can get these things sizzling nice and crispy. And I should be able to carefully flip these after a few minutes. Oh yeah, check out those gorgeous crispy tortillas. Carefully grab the tacos. Wow. Grab my consommé into my stainless steel cup and take a look at that. Let's give it a try. So delicious. Even though I can't pronounce it correctly, I'll get my recipe for Birria tacos up at blackstoneproducts.com. They're out of this world. The consommé, next level. Turns out I've been making this for years in my crock pot because I've done venison roast, beef roast, elk roast for years, and I've made burritos and tacos just like this. But of course I didn't know the trends, and of course the last couple of years the trend is Birria tacos. Thanks for watching, everybody. Sure do appreciate it. From here in the mountains. Me, my sons, we're saying praise the Lord and pass.
Tacos.
Tacos.